Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S96 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner, and when we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with camera mute from the right. So just one tap to turn off the sounds, another tap to turn them on again. Now let me keep them turned off, and when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. Of course, when we tap to the right corner once again and to the camera mute button, we can turn them on and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.